So, dear students, in our last section, we have seen infix to postfix as well as infix to prefix. Now, today we will see the steps for converting prefix expression to infix expression, or we can say that the algorithm for converting the prefix expression to infix expression. Now, we know that what do you mean by prefix? So prefix is nothing but the operator is present before the operands. We know that AB is what? Operands. And addition or any particular operator, any particular like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are nothing but the operators. So the operator which is present before the operands is called as prefix, and we want to convert this prefix into infix, means the operands are present and the operator is present in between that. So that is the infix expression. So today we will see how to convert the prefix expression to infix expression. So when we are doing the conversion from in prefix to infix, we have to scan the expression. Means whenever we are scanning the expression, we will scan each element of the expression from right to left. Keep in mind, we will scan from right to left. So when we are starting the conversion, we will scan each element of expression from right to left, and we will repeat the steps. Now when we are scanning the element of expression from right to left, if operand is found, then we will push that operand onto the stack, because onto the top of the stack. So we know that whenever operand is found, what we used to do, we keep it is in the output. So same way, whenever the operand is found, we will push that operand directly to the top of the stack. Now if operator is found, if the operator is found, then we will pop two topmost elements, that is element at the top and element next to the top. Keep in mind, this is very important, that we will pop two elements. Means suppose we are having C, A and B in our stack, and if operator is found, so we will pop these two elements C and A from our top. Means we will pop the element which is present at top of the stack as well as the element which is present next to the top of the stack. So we will pop these two elements from the stack, and then we will push the operator in between these particular operands. Means if we are removing the uh, top of the stack, that is nothing but A, and the next element is B, and if we are having any particular operator, then our expression will become A operator B. Means suppose this is our stack, okay, and this is A which is present at top of the stack, then B and then C. So this is what, this is top and this is next to the top. So now what we are saying, that we will pop two top elements. Suppose we are having this particular operator which occurred, so we will pop the two elements, that is top of the stack and next element from the stack. So we will pop A and we will pop B from the stack. So now where will be the top? It will be at C, because we have removed these two elements. Now after popping that elements, we will insert or push the operator in between the operands. So our expression becomes this, A plus B, that is operand, operator, operand. So in this way, the whole process is done until the last element of our particular expression. Means till we got the last element at left hand side of our element, we will do the same steps. Okay, same steps has been done for converting the element, where we are popping the two operands and we are placing or pushing the operator in between that operands, because we are converting the expression from prefix to infix. So we have to build the infix expression where the operator is present in between the operands. So in this way we are doing the conversion which is from right to left. In our next section we will see how the example has been used by using how the example is taken place or the conversion of prefix to infix. Thank you.